Good evening, my dear students. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India today has announced CA Foundation examination schedule to be conducted in the month of June. So the first examination is conducted on 24th, the second one on 26th, third 28th and fourth on 30th June. You all know that the first paper is Principles and Practice of Accounting. So this examination will be conducted on 24th June. And the second paper is Business Laws and Business Correspondence Reporting. This exam would be conducted on 26th June. And the timings for these two examinations are from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Duration of 3 hours as usual timings. And the third subject, which is an objective pattern, business mathematics, logical reasoning and statistics, is on 28th June. And the fourth examination subject is business economics and BCK. This is conducted on 30th June. So the timings are from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. for a duration of 2 hours. And for paper 1 and paper 2, you will be given an advanced reading time of 15 minutes from 1:45 p.m. to 2 p.m. So the students are required to be in time for the examination center. But for third and fourth paper, there is no any advanced reading time as they are multiple choice questions. And in Andhra Pradesh, the examination cities have also been announced. So alphabetically, the cities are Anantapur, Elur, Guntur, Kadapa, Kakinada, Kurnool, Nellore, Ongole, Rajamahendravaram, Srikakulam, Tirupati, Vijayawada, Visakhapatnam, and Vijayanagaram. And coming on to the online filling up of examination form. So the students are required to apply online at iciexam.ici.org from 20th April 2021 to 4th May 2021. So between these dates, the students can apply for the examination, and the fees is 1500 rupees, which is as usual earlier charged fees by CA Institute. And if due to any reason any of the students could not apply online between these dates, they can still make an online application after 4th May and up to 7th May with a late fee of additional amount of 600 rupees. So I hope the students will not make any kind of delay, and they will apply online between the stipulated timings, that is 20th April to 4th May. Okay, so we all are indebted to CA Institute for conducting examinations in the month of June, as the students have been given good time for preparation. So it is now the duty of all the CA Foundation students to make well preparation using the additional time which has been given by CA Institute. So last time, due to COVID-19, majority of the students could not attempt the examination properly. So to my knowledge, many of the students have just attended online classes but not offline classes, but they could not prepare well because majority of the students did not write examinations conducted by various coaching institutions. But now I think all of the students are in offline classes. I hope you'll make the best use of the time by attending the coaching classes as well as by appearing the examinations conducted by the coaching institutions. So all the best for your coming examinations. Hope you will give the best attempt and would clear CA Foundation examinations in flying colors.